Hi, a very good morning children. Happy Tuesday all of you. A warm welcome to the new session again. Okay, today the day is Tuesday and the date is 21/9/2021. See, date is also 21 and the year is also 21. 21/9/2021 and the day is Tuesday. 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 Class, which class are you all? Second standard. Subject EVS. According to timetable, Tuesday you have EVS subject and the topic is about which topic we were discussed in the previous class, and we have completed some of the worksheet which they have given in your textbook, right? That one also we have completed in the previous class. About which topic? About the topic precious water. Very good. Write down. Open the previous class for children and write down the heading precious water. Not heading, lesson name. Precious water. Precious water. In this lesson what we have learned? How much water is important, how much water is essential for us, and all the living beings need water to live. Without water we cannot live. Yes or no? Yes. How much of percentage of water is covered by covered the earth? 71% of water, remaining 29% of land. So in that half of the water, 71% of water is there. No, in that 71% half of the water contains salt water, means sea and ocean water, right? Yes. Remaining of the water contains sweet water like hand pump, well, underground water. These are the underground water. Then river, pond, lake, streams, these are the sources of water. Which is the main source of water? Rain is the main source of water. From the sky, from the clouds we will get drop by drop water, right? In the form of rain. In the form of rain there is one process that is called water cycle. The movement of water in nature is called water cycle. Clear? Okay, water is very important. For all the household work we need water for drinking, bathing, washing clothes, washing dishes, washing vehicles, washing animals, for cooking, for bathing, brushing, everything we need water. We should not supposed to waste water. We should keep our water bodies clean and neat. We should not supposed to throw any garbage items or oil or any chemicals to the water bodies. Okay, water will become dirty. If we drink those that type of water means we fall into sick. Okay, then how we can save the water? If it is rain means keep a one bucket in front of your house and use that bucket of water for watering plants, for gardening purpose. Then for washing clothes, washing dishes you can use. And don't running out the water if you are while brushing and taking bath. After use you just close the tap tightly, quickly. Okay, if you observe any cases of taps, and you just inform to your elders. If you notice, you just inform to your elders. In that way you can save the water. And what type of water we need to drink? Clean, fresh, pure water we should drink. How will get clean, fresh and pure water? From boiled water. Boiled water kills the germs. So from boiled water we get germs free water. Dust free water, dirt free water will get from the filter water. Okay. And if you store water in a container means we should not supposed to dip our hand directly to the container. Water will become dirty. We should use a small container with a handle. Okay, in that one we can take out the water from the container. Fine. This is the information about the lesson precious water. Now I am going to give you. Now I am going to start the notes. The first main of this lesson, that is keywords. As usual, keywords. Okay. Write down in your classwork the heading keywords. K-E-Y, keywords. W-O-R-D-S. Keywords. The words which I am going to give you now, right? These words only comes in the main, like rearrange the letters and missing letters. So you have to learn all the words. You have to learn spelling of each and every word. Okay. The first one, write down drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. For drinking purpose we need water. Write 5 uses of water. If you learn drink, bath, brush means easily you can write the answer in one word. Drink, bathing. You have to add ing, ing. Okay, drinking, bathing, brushing, cooking, cleaning, like that you can write the answer. If you learn these words in keywords means easily you can write the answer for those questions. Cook, C-O-O-K, cook, C-O-O-K, cook. Write down C-O-O-K, cook. First one drink, D-R-I-N-K, drink. Second one cook, C-O-O-K, cook. We need water for cooking. Without water, how can we cook? We can't, right? Yes. To make rice, we need water. Third one, bath. For bathing, for brushing, we need water. B-A-T-H, bath. B-A-T-H, bath. Fourth one, precious. P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. Water is dash. Water is very precious. Precious means valuable. Very important. Essential. Next. Water vapor. Water vapor. The state, that is water is a gas. It has the gas form of water. It has one particular name that is called water vapor. Water vapor. W-A-T-E-R, water. V-A-P-O-U-R, water vapor. Next, water cycle. Water cycle. The movement of water in nature is called water cycle. The movement of water in nature is called water cycle. Write down water cycle. The first one drink, the second one cook, third one bath, fourth one precious, fifth one water vapor, sixth one water cycle, the seventh one lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Lake is also one of the source of water. Lake, L-A-K-E, lake. Over. Next, eighth one rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. Over. Next, ninth one germs. G-E-R-M-S, germs. Boiling water kills germs. We'll get germs free water if we boil the water, it seems. Okay. Boiled water kills the germs. Boiled water kills the germs. 10th one pond. P-O-N-D, pond. Pond is also one of the source of water. In the pond, some water will grow. Some plants will grow in the pond, like water lily and water lotus. Okay. Some of the animals, some of the creatures, some of the plants lives in water. Okay. Not only for drinking children. Some of the creatures lives in the water itself. Okay, so they need water to live, like water plants, lotus and water lily, some of the sea plants, some of the creatures like whale, octopus, starfish, crocodile, then frog, tortoise, swan, duck. These are the animals, plants, lives in water itself. So they need water to live. Without water, they'll get die. Okay. Pond over. Next, 11th one, river. River. R-I-V-E-R. River. Next, underground. Underground. Underground water. Well and hand pump. Well and borewell. Hand pump. These are the example for underground water. When raindrops fall on the earth, land, it soaks, the ground soaks this water and stores in the underground. Gets stored in the underground. By digging wells, we'll get underground water. Next, 13th one, well. W-E-L-L. Well means bhavi, underground water, right? Well is underground water. Well. Next, construction. Construction. For building construction also we need water. We need water. C-O-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N. Construction. Over. Next, 15th one. Agriculture. Agriculture. A-G-R-I-C-U. Sorry. C-U-L. Culture. A-G-R-I-C-U-L-T-U-R-E. Agriculture. Write down. A-G-R-I-C-U-L-T-U-R-E. Agriculture means vyavasaya, farming. To grow crops we need water. Sixteenth one, sea. Sea water contains lot of salt. 17th one, S-E-A, sea, samudra, ocean. Okay, sagara. Ocean means sagara. Sea, samudra. Okay. Next, the last one, earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Our earth is also called blue planet. Earth is covered by dash percentage of water. 71% of water. The first one, drink. Right, 5 uses of water: drinking, cooking, bathing. Right? If you learn these words means for the questions will be like one word answer only, children. Okay, if you learn these words, it will be easy to answer for the questions. Okay, simply don't mug up. Learn these words. Each and every spelling you have to learn. If you learn, it's very easy to attempt the answer the following questions, rearrange the letters, then missing letters, then fill in the blanks, pass the following, everything you can attempt. If you learn keywords, fine. I hope you all will learn. Drink, cook, bath. Then what is dash? Precious. The gas form of water, the particular name for the gas, that is water vapor. Water cycle. What is water cycle? The movement of nature in water, the movement of water in nature, sorry. The movement of water in nature is called water cycle. write the 5 sources of water: lake, river, pond, well, sea. Okay, sea. Then in boiled water we'll get dash free water, germs free water. Boiled water kills the dash germs. Which is the main source of water? Rain. One word answer. Rain is the main source of water. Next, write 2 examples for underground water: well and hand pump. HAND, hand pump. Hand pump. PUMP, pump. Next, write 5 uses of water for construction purpose, agriculture purpose. Also, we need water. Dash is covered by 71% of water. Earth is covered by 71% of water. This type of questions only you get. Okay, so you have to learn. What you have to do? You have to learn all the keywords which I have given in this session. Clear? I hope you all will learn, and you have to write these words in classwork. I hope you have finished now, and you have to copy to the homework also. Once after finish the homework and classwork, you have to learn. You have to practice. Okay, write and practice in rough book. Okay, each and every spelling of these words you have to learn. Clear, children? Okay, thank you. In the next session, I am going to give you the notes regarding the topic precious water. From the first main we'll start. Okay, until then keep learning all the words. Bye bye.